Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2015 425D M Sport Convertible. The vehicle is presented in Melbourne red. Features the YNC body enhancement kit, as well as some nice options from BMW. Being presented in this lovely colourway, it's one of the most striking colour feature options you can have on the 4 Series, especially with the lovely hardtop convertible. As you can see then, it's got the gloss black 666 competition style alloy wheels with 4 brand new tyres. It's got the gloss black sill extensions, satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals, gloss black aero mirrors. And just taking a look down the side of the car, you can see how well those exterior colours work with one another, as of course does the interior, being a full black leather. Front seats are both electrically operated with memory controls for the driver's side, as well as they are both heated. Despite being a convertible, there is still plenty of space in this vehicle with the ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement with the central storage tray and armrest. It's a 6-speed manual car, and for me, in a convertible, it makes no odds whether you go for an automatic or manual. You're really going to enjoy it all the same. You get that top down, especially with the nice weather we've been having lately. It's going to be really enjoyable all the same. Get it out on a nice country B road and you'll absolutely love it, especially with the little bit more power that the 425D is able to produce. Gloss black rear diffuser, and you have also got the rear spoiler as well. Front and rear sensors. Boot space can often be a squeeze on a hardtop convertible, but it's not the same for the 4 Series. And right now you're thinking I'm talking utter nonsense, but you can easily lift the folded roof out of the storage tray, as easy as pressing this little rocker switch just up here. The roof will then lift itself out of the storage tray, and we can then fold the folded roof out of there. Just one second, I need my other hand to do that. There we go. With that out of the way, you can see we have got the very large boot space. As you can see, it goes all the way to the back of the rear seats, and there are the genuine floor mats in there. There is also storage to the left and right hand side, so again, making things as nice and easy as possible. So you have got a usable boot space, so you can potentially use this car every day if you'd wish to, and especially with that very economical, very powerful, bigger enhanced diesel engine in the front of this car, it'll make for an all-round great experience for you. Down the side, all nice and clean and tidy. If we jump on inside the vehicle then, we'll start up and go through a few functions and features really quickly. So you've got multifunction M Sport steering wheel with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions. The car's covered just over 49,000 miles, so it's a nice low mileage example. And we'll get that roof closed. That only takes a couple of seconds, and you can do it on the move as well, and it is quick enough that you could easily do it at a set of traffic lights as well. Automatic dual climate control system with front heated seats. Professional wide nav and media, and I'll show you a bit more in a moment once I've got my other hand free. So taking off the roof activation switch. So that's the roof closed. There we go. So there's the nav view for you. I'll switch the engine off now. We've got the Bluetooth telephone system as well, DAB radio, which you've seen. You've got front CD music collection, USB, AUX and Bluetooth line in. Let's just check out some servicing information for this vehicle. As you can see, 17,000 miles till next service. There are 2 recorded services on the R drive for the car. It's got front and rear sensors. It's going to really quickly hop back outside the car now. So as you can see, with the roof closed, it's still a very, very striking looking vehicle. And whether you've got it up or down, it's a really, really fantastic car to drive. If you'd like to know more about this 425D M Sport Convertible, please do simply check out the links I'll leave available in the description. For now though, thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care. Goodbye.